Concept 4, classifying polynomials. So there are two different parts to classifying a polynomial. Okay, you're going to classify it by the degree of the polynomial, so the degree of the highest degree monomial, and the number of terms in the polynomial, so the number of separate terms, the number of separate monomials that are separated by either subtraction or addition. Okay? And there are some different vocabulary that we are going to use. A lot of it probably you have heard before, but we do want to make sure we know how it's associated with polynomial classification. So our 0 degree, so this would be just a number, okay, with no variable, is going to be a constant. If there's one variable, right, a variable with out a exponent or with an exponent of 1, it's linear. If it's squared, if our variable has an exponent of 2, it's quadratic. If it's 3, it's cubic. If it's 4, it's quartic. And if it's 5, it's quintic. Okay? After the 3rd degree, I usually start just saying a 4th degree polynomial, right? A 4th degree binomial, all right? In the book, there are some questions that ask about 4th and maybe even 5th degree polynomials, and the answer they're looking for is quartic or quintic, but if you answered 4th degree or 5th degree, that would be fine. If you answered 3rd degree or 2nd degree, I would not accept that. You should know cubic and quadratic. We're going to use quadratics a lot, okay? And you're definitely going to use them a lot in the next couple of years. So that's degrees. The number of terms, we've covered monomial, okay? Binomial has 2 terms. Trinomial has 3 terms. And with terms, once you get above 3, you're just going to say the number of terms it has, okay? So this would be a quadratic, because the highest degree is 2. It's got 3 terms, so it's a trinomial, quadratic trinomial. Okay? And that degree will come first. Okay? You'd always say a quadratic trinomial rather than a trinomial quadratic. Okay? List the degree first. Okay, so this one, our highest degree is 4. So this is a quartic, and there's 2 terms, quartic binomial. Okay? I just have 1 term, and it is a 1st degree, right? It's only got, the highest degree is 1, so it's a linear monomial. Okay? And then this one, we've got the highest degree is 3, so it's going to be cubic. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, so this would be a cubic polynomial of 4 terms. Okay? Alright, and if we wanted to go higher, say I had like x to the 6th plus x to the 2nd minus 2. Okay? This is going to be a 6th degree trinomial. 6th degree trinomial. Okay? 3 terms, highest degree is 6.